Hi, and welcome to Computer Tutorials, brought to you by the Public Library of Anniston and Calhoun County. In today's video, we'll be going over how to navigate the Alabama Virtual Library. The Alabama Virtual Library provides all students, teachers, and citizens of the state of Alabama with 24/7 online access to premier library and information resources free of charge. The AVL also provides access to several types of resources, such as dictionaries, encyclopedias, literature, current events, business, and ebooks, to name a few. To get started, first select one of the education levels from the Resources for Alabama menu at the top of the AVL website. Next, select one of the resources that is available for the education level that you selected. Or, you can search most AVL resources by using the AVL Discovery Search. Once you've selected the resource you want to access, your browser will take you to the home page for that resource and you can begin your search. Or click on the information icon in the resource tile and then enter your search terms into the integrated search box. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. For more information, please go to our website at publiclibrary.cc.